TACBOBS painting some guns. We didn't think about recording it until just now. All right. Go us.
Here's my painted AK. Could you stop? Got a little bit tan. Oh, dude, I forgot to take off this tape.
Sponsor.
No, we're not.
Anyway, green. I'll do that later. Some brown in there. Some little camouflage patterns. Turned out pretty nice. This side's more brown than that side. I just noticed that.
Yeah.
Oh well.
First time painting guns. Not really going for like no, we're not really going for like professional or anything like that. So Bob, that's what he did with his AK. Draft up, you know. Just did the other side of the FAO. 2 finished guns. Bob's AK. Bob's G36. I think they both look pretty freaking good.
I can see the battery. The battery like sticks out so much.
Hey, it's all right.
It's like you can immediately see it.
Yeah, but nobody's gonna be looking at the bottom of it.
Okay.
We got the finished products here. Well,
Some of
could
them.
have showed him his.
Here's my sick grenade launcher. And if you look in this handy dandy box. Oh!
Then we went. This is what I did with the FAL here. Kept the black in some areas. Went ahead and stuck that flash hider I got in the $50 mystery box. Put it on here. And I decided to paint my Glock as well. So I did base with the green base with some stripes on it. And we got Bob's guns over here. His rifle's professionally done. The G36 looking pretty sweet right now. And his AK as well.
Yeah, this is what they paid for.
Let's see tonight.
Go boom. It's empty, boys.
You're a poser. Poser.
Sorry.
You don't even skate for real.
Whoa. Let's see it.
Bet you want Ollie.
I'm doing Ollie.
Ollie mid shot. Ollie mid shot.
Hold on. I
Let's
need
give him space.
more space.
Let's see something.
I'm literally just doing an Ollie shot.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
180.
In there.
Drive by.
My AK.